Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. So today's video is going to be a sort of unboxing, sort of try on of the November Boxycharm. So here it is. I already just opened it because I need to see what's in here. But overall, this is like what it looks like. It comes with a little pamphlet. This month is Boxycharm Stellar, so it says Stellar right there. And then it gives you sort of a little list of all the products that are going to be inside the box this month. So first one is going to be the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. And it has 8 shades in it, and they are really nice. Like there's a pink, there's an orange, there's a teal, and then so it's 5 matte shades and then 3 glitter shades. So that's cute. That's retails for $35. So that is nice. The next thing is going to be the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. That's what it looks like. I'll just open it just to show you in this little bottle. And this is for, it reduces the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimizes the appearance of dark circles. And this retails for $50. The next thing is going to be the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this one is in the shade Flirty. I'll take it out. And it's sort of like a pinkish color. Put a little dab right there. So it's like that sort of light pink sort of color. So that's that one. And this retails for $18. Next thing is going to be a Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Mask set of 2. So there's 2 of them, and it says it retails for $10. And these are supposed to help with depuffing and relaxing you to make your ease migraine, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. That's cool. So that's the third one, and this is $10. I don't know if it's for $10 for both of them or $10 for one of them. Next thing is going to be the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, and it comes with a powder brush, which is this big brush right here, powder brush, and then sort of like a foundation brush, this one where it sort of looks like an artiste brush, and it's got like an oval. And these retail for $35 for the 2 of them. I think maybe I'll just start off with the eyes and stuff. I'll do eyes and then do foundation and then do the whole shebang afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and be right back. Okay, we're back. And I just did eyebrows prime with just this. What is this? Infallible Full Wear in shade 360 Cashmere. Cashmere. So first, I think I'm gonna go, I don't know, I want to do, fuck it. I'm gonna do the pink, the Lucid Dream color, and I'm just gonna start by placing that in the front eye, and then I think I'm gonna go in with the green and do that here, and then see how that goes. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Morphe E18 brush. And just packing it on there basically, just to where I want it, because I have hooded eyes, so I like to pack it just a little bit higher than so that you can see it, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506, go into the teal sort of shade Mystic Ice, and start putting it here, just so that it can go in with the pink and not get like muddy or anything, because we don't need that. Just gonna sort of swoop it up to make my eye look up, I guess. Sort of packing it and then packing it in the middle and then blending it at the ends so that it doesn't get like too wild. Go in with the pink again. And this basically just put this all over the rest of the eye. Then I'm going to take another sort of smaller brush. This is, what is this? M507. I'm going to tap it into the pink shade and just sort of bring the pink shade into the green. To see that just in this specific spot. And do the same with the green shade. Just to fill in those little voids. So it makes sort of like a purple shade. That's basically what I'm going for. Bring the green to the under eye, just slightly. Slightly drag it down. Just like that. Just taking the green all the way to the tip. To the inner corner. And then when I do like foundation concealer, I'll blend it a little bit more so that it looks just a little bit more seamless. I'm going to tap into the pink, the Lucid Dream shade, and do that sort of just to the inner corner right here, just so that it goes into the green. And then last, I think I'm just gonna take just a regular, what is this? This is the JS11 brush. I'm gonna tap into the Eternal Light shade, which is this sort of glittery one right here. And I'm just gonna basically like tap it. Just like to have a little bit of like shimmer on top of it. And just deposit it right here. Just so that it has like a little bit of a defining moment. That's pretty much the look. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the other eye, do, what is it, lashes, liner, all that stuff, and then I'll be right back so we can do foundation and concealer and all that jazz. Okay, and I'm back. This is, I guess, the finished eyeshadow look with some lashes on. I'm wearing these, what are they, Lily Lashes synthetic lashes in Atlanta. So that's how these little bad boys look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do foundation. Oh man, I didn't put like any primer or anything on. I'm just gonna put this on. This is a Glow Ahead, I don't even know what it is, serum or something, oil, I don't know. We'll see if it makes me any oiler than I already am. And I'm just gonna yeah, I'll just put it with my fingers. Sure, I was gonna use a brush, try to be a little bit fancy, but nope, I feel like I maybe put a lot on. Okay, so this is what basically just oil. This came in like a previous Boxycharm, I don't know which one it came in, but oh, that's a lot. Let me wipe my hands. We're gonna go ahead and use this. Oh, some of the little hairs are a little frayed. It's little long hairs. And we're gonna use this with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. And I'm just gonna squeeze it right on top and just sort of put it on. Just like that. Sort of giving me coverage, but not too much coverage, I guess. And just this actually is really quick. I don't know if this is actually my shade. This is a little bit warmer for me than what I'm used to, but go with it. Basically making it look like it's my skin. Not using too much. Don't want to be too cakey. And then just sort of stippling it in, and then I'll use like a little bit from my neck. And then just slightly on my ears. That is foundation with this little Boxycharm oval brush. I think that's almost everything that's in the box. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of this powder and dip it into some bronzer. This is the other Boxycharm box one, and I'm just gonna try to bronze it out my cheeks, my face. Really don't feel like it needs too much bronzing, but and just gonna use this same brush. Probably not gonna do any blush. Maybe I'll do just a little bit of highlighter. This is the Manny MUA, what is this called? Moon Prism Powder in Style Venus. And I'm just gonna take it on this little brush and then just sort of slightly do it there, and then do it on this side. And I love this highlighter. This highlighter is so nice. And then I'll just like a hint. Oh, and then I'll just, can't forget the brow bone. That's, oh, I gotta put this lipstick on. This might be a little bit too pink for the look, but we'll see. That is going to be the look for this month's Boxycharm, the November. Definitely comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me what you think I could have do different. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, maybe I should do like a total of all of this stuff. So just to reiterate, the palette was $35. The Juice Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment was $50. The Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick was $18. The Pop Band Starry Eye Pop Socket set of 2 was $10. And the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set was $35. So maybe I'll put like a price right here, like the total of all of it together. And yeah, if you guys want to subscribe, I'll leave like, I think I have a little link to it. I don't think you get anything from it, but there's like a link there. So I'll put it in my little description area, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.